Welcome back. In this part we're going to reveal the cards as we have here. So when we click, we can reveal the cards. Okay. First thing is that here in the app I need to send the revealed status to the card component. So this is the same as what we have here. And then in the card we would get the revealed, and here we would have a different class if the card is revealed. So we have the card, and then if it is revealed we would have this class, otherwise nothing. Okay, let's go to our app, refresh, and say we click on this one and it will be revealed. So here in the app.js, if those two cards doesn't match, we need to do the reset again. So else we would do the reset and say, for example, we click on, as we have the tree here, so we click on this one and this one, and these two don't match, so our state will be back to false. But we need to show them for at least 1 second so that the user can see what they have clicked. So we need to put this in a timeout. Say reset after 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. Okay, now if I go here, this is number 3. If I click on this one and then on this one, this will become true, and after 1 second it would go back to false. Again, true, and after 1 second goes back to false. Okay, cool. So the JavaScript part is done. Now we need to do the CSS magic. Alright, we need to have a class for the revealed. So card.is. We would transform and then rotate everything in 180 degrees in y-axis, so that they rotate like this in this direction, like so. Then we need to have one for the card face for these two cards. We would position them absolute so they stand on top of each other. The width is like 100%. Same is with the height, 100%. Let's set the back face visibility to hidden and do it for the WebKit as well. So if you go back here, we don't see anything because they are like 100%, but they don't have any width or height. So if I go here, you can see that they don't have any height. Okay, so let's go and fix that. In the card, we need to have a height of like 210 pixels. And we need to set the transition here as well. We should say like transform, and let's say 0.3 seconds. Transform like this. And we need to say that the transform style is preserve 3D. Okay, now if you go here, if I click this one, yeah, the card face front is not rotated. Okay, I need to do that as well. So let's go here maybe and say that the card which is faced front, it should rotate like 180 degrees, so that when we rotate everything it goes back. So if I start playing now this to stay revealed, and yeah, this is working. But there is one problem that we will tackle on the next episode, and that is if I click like 3 times, you can see that what's going on. Everything messes up. So I need to, when I click the second one, I need to make the other cards disable until these two are revealed, or they go back to the back state. So if I am clicking this one, I shouldn't be able to click on this one. Right. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.